welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about mirror.finance. What are they doing? How are they changing the game? Well, let's check them out on Mirror Protocol. So Mirror Protocol, they're ranked 137, currently about 413. And you guys can check out their project right here. They're really changing the game. It's almost like synthetics. So the only difference between this and synthetics is the market cap is like way less. It's like 1/27th of it. Obviously, they do have a lot of tokenization or tokens that are not in circulation. Well, a high tokenization rate, right? So they got 27 million in circulation, 370 possibly that can be created. They have a really, really high inflation rate, so keep that in mind. They're increasing like 200% in the first year, and then after that it drops off a bit. But just keep that in mind. Basically, this total rate is going to double in size. So keep that in mind, guys, if you're buying the stock. This isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion on the project. This is what's pretty interesting right here. So I'm sure you guys are hearing a lot about it right now with GameStop and them stopping the stock market and whatever. Well, you can't stop it here. So this is a 24/7 trading, and this is worldwide. So this is also a really cool integration they have. I'm just going to go over this real quick. It's basically mirror and mask network. So it allows people to actually trade directly on Twitter. So you can post like a tweet and say, hey, look, post here. And you can automatically just trade on Twitter. So you don't have to go on to any exchange or Uniswap or anything special. People can automatically just do it on their phone. If you guys want to read over the article, you guys can check it out. Here's the Mirror Protocol website. Really cool website. Give them props to it. They did a really good job. It looks clean cut, very easy to use. You can easily go to their Telegram. You can go to the Terra Luna integration where you can actually trade the stocks, and the Ethereum network where you can stake. So you guys can see here's where you can stake, lock up liquidity, get crazy interest rates, 160%, 841%. 355%, so crazy interest rates. And then on top of this is where you can actually trade the assets. So they're doing assets like the volatility index, which is huge. A lot of people trade in that. You can trade directly in Mirror, gold, Tesla, Alibaba, Apple, Amazon. I mean, just wait. What if they just start doing GameStop? Oh wait, they are. Look, guys, this is in progress. They're trying to get GameStop whitelisted. So, guys, in 6 days' time, I don't know, guys. This isn't financial advice. It's just my opinion on the project. Just wait. If they whitelist AMC and GameStop, well, how do you think people are going to go after who they're battling against if they're shutting them down on different accounts? Well, they'll go through the decentralized way, which is how to block it. So guys, keep that in mind. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Not financial advice, though. Don't forget that. So go back to trade. This is where you can trade easily. You can buy the assets, sell them, etc. If you are going to lock up some of the mirror tokens, in order to actually mint an asset, you have to use mirror tokens. It is a 150% asset ratio. Unless you're locking up like an M asset, then it's going to be 200% collateralization ratio. So it's similar to the stock market. You can trade on that. And then if you need to burn the M asset, the issuer would need to burn the equal amount of M assets to get the collateral back. So if you need your collateral back, you'll have to integrate with that. So here's how the protocol will work. So some people are like, well, how can you trade stocks 24/7? Well, so this is how it works. There's an oracle that automatically reads the price. So the Terra Mint will be able to defend against that. So say, for example, Tesla is trading at $100 today. And then inside the Terra Eco or the Mirror ecosystem, it's just exploding and going gangbusters, and it's going to 120. But the oracle still says it's only worth 110. People theoretically can use the Mirror tokens, take those tokens and mint the M Tesla asset for $100 and then sell it for $120, which would help them participate in arbitrage. And well, when you participate in the arbitrage, it's going to cause the price to go back down and so on, and it'll automatically keep that balance. So do keep that in mind. This is just a synthetic asset. They are not actually purchasing the Tesla stock. So more so, this protocol is a way for people to and other countries participate in U.S. markets or in other areas to be able to, well, not just U.S. markets, but any market. The reason I say U.S. market is because most stocks are traded on the U.S. exchange, and most people really can't trade on it. And even countries without a stock market, they can't even trade on it, period. So this allows the whole entire world to be able to trade on the stock market. Obviously, you only have a limited number of stocks, but if someone wanted to buy some Google, they can buy some Google. So, and the tokens are divisible, so they don't have to buy one full share of Google. They can buy fractional shares. So it's almost like the Robinhood of the crypto ecosystem and of the world. So not everyone can use Robinhood. So this allows you to do it. So it's pretty cool. We already showed you guys this, how you can get the rewards. Basically, you can also mint tokens on this location. This is the Mirror wallet. So it's similar to Robinhood. This is what we just explained. And you basically store your crypto assets as well as your stock assets on it. So it's pretty cool. Do Kwon, he is the co-founder of Terraform Labs. He is the guy behind this project. Really smart guy. Recommend you guys take a look at a couple of the interviews. Daniel Shin is also a co-founder of Terra. Terra is a great project. They actually have the stable. Mike Novogratz is investing in them and basically labels them as the stable coin of Asia. So that's a lofty term. So pretty good for them. If you guys want to look at the overview, we'll just break it down again. You have the trader, basically the guy who buys the tokens. You have the minter. This guy can participate in arbitrage. The guy who's like, oh, well, the Oracle says it's 100 and it's selling at 120. Well, I can mint a bunch and sell it at 120 and it'll make it go down. So it kind of levels out. Then you have the liquidity provider, which is this guy who goes on the back end, earns their interest and whatever. Guys, be aware of impermanent loss. It still takes place here. The Oracle feeder, which is the band protocol and Chainlink, they are integrated with Chainlink now, so keep that in mind. The mirror token. So here's what we were talking about, the supply. Guys, if you guys did not know this, they did just have an airdrop. I actually claimed some of it for the Luna staking airdrop and the Uni airdrop. So if you have 100 tokens or more in Uni in your wallet, you are able to claim some tokens. You actually get 220, I believe it is. Same thing with the Luna, and that is a prorated basis. So if you stake for a certain period of time between a certain time frame, you get a certain amount of tokens. So it's pretty cool. You guys can see the distribution here. Uni airdrop, Luna staker airdrop in the community pool. And there's a token distribution. You guys can read all that here. I'm not going to go over it into the video. Let me go over TerraSwap. So TerraSwap is where you can swap different assets for other assets. So like your M Tesla for your M Google, etc. To provide liquidity, you can go on Uniswap or even on their own platform and create the LP tokens so you can provide in the liquidity of the supply. So basically, you lock up the mirror tokens with the asset you're looking to provide liquidity for. If you guys want to see, they actually trade on the exchanges. You literally just type in mirror and boom, it'll pull it up and it'll tell you the exact price. And yeah, so it literally follows the price. So it's pretty cool. Recommend taking a look at the white paper, guys, so you guys can understand it. But yeah, that's the project in a nutshell. If you guys want to check out the frequently asked questions, we'll go over it real quick. The M assets are traded through the TerraSwap or the app that we showed you. Synthetic assets, they are not the real assets. So these are just synthetic assets. So you don't get dividends from them. Keep that in mind. Do you have to go through a KYC? No, you don't have to go through a KYC. So it's all open source, I guess you can say, or decentralized. What are the trading commissions composed of? Well, there's a fixed fee for the LP commission, which is 0.3%, which is just like Uniswap, so keep that in mind. And guys, they are on Ethereum, but they are also using the injective protocol too, and that's like a layer 2 solution built on Ethereum that allows you to trade with no fees, so it's pretty cool. I'll be doing actually, I think I already did a video on injective. Yeah, go ahead and check out my videos, guys. You'll be able to see it. Keep in mind, this is your collateralization ratio. If it's a stable coin, it's 150. If it's an asset, it's going to be 200% of it. Synthetics is actually a bit higher than it, and they have crazy Ethereum gas fees. So that's the difference between this and synthetics. And they are actually trading actual assets, like not actual assets, but actual synthetic assets, if that's a thing, like mirrored Tesla or mirrored Google, etc. All right, guys, let's leave you guys with the wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 27 verses, I think we're going to be in 28 today. No, verses 27. No, I'm sorry. We are in verses 25. So, when the hay is removed and new growth appears, and the grass from the hills is gathered in, the lands will provide you with clothing, and the goats with the price of the field. So guys, keep that in mind. Basically what it means is, hey, if you work hard, you're going to get rewarded for that. So guys, don't be lazy. Don't be a sluggard. Go out there and work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies, or well, smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy. And here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats, and it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool.